Speaking to reporters this session, UN spokesperson Stéphane Dujarric expressed surprise at the DRC's slightly more than 2-month-long investigation, saying it, quote, seemed to have been done with quite a bit of rapidity. The bodies of the UN experts, American Michael Sharp and Swedish-Chilean Zaida Catalan, as well as their interpreter Batu Shintella, were found in Congo's Kasai province in March after they went missing while looking into human rights abuses. Catalan's body was found decapitated. Dujarric said the UN has not been fully briefed over the content of the DRC investigation, but it is questioning the speed and thoroughness at which it was done. He also expressed disappointment with a recent article by the New York Times that suggested the UN had not provided sufficient training and protection to the 2 experts killed, that it waited 2 months before looking into the matter and left the investigation to the DRC. Dujarric said the UN mission in the DRC, MONUSCO, had deployed people to track down the experts once word came they were missing, and he said he thought it was done quickly. Another UN spokesperson quoted in the article also said the peacekeepers sprang into action at the very start, with troops and helicopters deployed the next day. But while a few peacekeepers in nearby areas had begun the search by road and air, the commander of the Uruguayan forces at MONUSCO, according to the New York Times, said that it took 4 days for more UN personnel to arrive, and it reportedly took 2 weeks before the bodies were found. Dujarric said that the United Nations does not have the authority to launch a criminal probe without a Security Council decision, but that a UN Board of Inquiry has already begun its own investigation to be completed by the end of July. Liling Tan, CGTN, New York.